G'day everyone, I'm Rob from Free Range Camping. Today I've got young Henry with me.
Hello.
So Henry and I want to show you the brand new Quokka folding barbecue pit. We're just about to put it in the Free Range Camping shop, so we thought we'd show you the benefits of it. So I know we all love a great campfire. I mean, we do. We often have our campfires. Great for cooking the damper on. Problem is, a lot of these fires now, the restrictions mean you can't have your fires on the ground as such, and a lot of places want you to lift them up into a pit. Now either they provide it or you bring your own. We tried this little barbecue slash pit a little while ago. It's got some folding legs at the bottom. It was great, but still pretty cumbersome to actually carry around with us. So when we saw the Quokka, we were really impressed with that. So I'm going to take it out now and show you how that goes together. Okay, so this is the Quokka. They come in three sizes. This is the baby Quokka. There's a medium size and a larger size. What I like about it is that how it comes. So it comes in its own carry bag. As you can see, it folds away and it is lightweight. Unclip it and pull it all out. And this is how the kit comes. So you get a little plate there that goes in the bottom to hold your wood up. Get the cooking plate and the base. So we'll start off with the base, and you'll see on the base it's got some clips here which actually clip the actual barbecue into place, stops it moving around. The actual body of it is made from 201 grade stainless steel, and that just simply folds out. There you go, first time I've done it, so it just folds out, folds in both directions, and just sits on the base like such. And then the clips just hold it all into place. That's it, and as you can see, comes with some handles and sits up on the base. Plate goes inside. Got vent holes here all around for the fire. Comes with the cooking plate. So the cooking plate sits on top and can either sit like that, or as you can see here, it's got some adjustable pegs, so you can adjust the height according to what you want to have on there. That just sits in there like that. If you have them all at the right height, I'm sure it would help. So the plate sits there like that, and then you've got your actual cooking plate. So this one here is 304 grade stainless steel. Fire's changed direction, and that just sits on top. So you can do your cooking on top, obviously, or if you don't want it for that, you can use it just like this as a fire pit. And obviously the brilliant thing is, as I said, the whole thing when you finish, and I'll do this now, otherwise it'll be too hot, just unclips. So the 4 clips come undone, and then everything just flat packs away and it goes back in the carry bag. All right, so let's give it a run. We'll reassemble it and then we can try it out. Henry, what do you think? We get some firewood ready? Yeah. Okay. Okay, I've got the Quokka back together here. Henry's bringing over some pine cones. If you don't know, these are the best fire starters. Okay, obviously the size of the pit's going to dictate the size of the wood you use. We've just opted for the small one here, which suits our purposes. The pine cones definitely get it going. And yeah, everything's fully contained. It's nice and high up off the ground. The base there will catch all the ashes. So all we've got to do now is wait for a while to let the fire take hold.
Yeah.
Yep. You got your damper ready?
Yeah.
So as you can see at the moment, it's just being used as a little mini fire pit. Ideal to sit around at night, a few drinks by the campfire. But then as this burns down, what I'll show you is how we can quickly convert it into a cooking device and put the grill on there, use it to boil the kettle, cook your dampers, or use it for the firing pan, fry a few eggs or bacon and eggs in the morning.
Now the next few things I want to show you is how we now change the fire pit over to a barbecue or a cooking device. So the first thing you'll notice in the next few scenes is I'm wearing some of the Oswit heat-proof gloves. These gloves are absolutely brilliant around the fire. I know they're really designed to handle the hot things like the camp oven, but you can see here I'm using them to directly pick up some of the burning wood. Just can't feel a thing with these. From here I'm going to speed things up a bit so you don't have to wait for the billy to boil. But you'll see at this point that the fire is going, so I'm going to set the tripod over the flames. Now this is just one way we can use a Quokka, and it's to hang the the camp oven over, so you can still cook, say, your damper or your casseroles, or use it in the same way to boil the billy. Then this next scene, you'll see that the flames have died right down, but we now have a nice hot bed of coals to cook off. So I'm then going to place the cooking grill on top. Now just be careful not to get burnt, and once again, an ideal time to use the heat-proof gloves. So first up, we're going to set to the lowest position, and you'll see that allows it to sit as close as possible to the heat, and we're going to boil the kettle. We still use the traditional gas kettles, so we'll put it on. Okay, that took about 3 minutes, and now we're ready to make a nice hot cup of tea. So the next thing we tried was frying some eggs, because who doesn't like bacon and eggs in the morning? This is straight after that we just boiled the kettle, and you can still see here it's still very hot. Probably a bit too much heat, so what you can do there is adjust the settings and raise the grill a little, and that'll just tone the heat down a bit. And not long after, you can see that the egg is cooking nicely and ready for breakfast. There it is, the Quokka fire pit and the barbecue combo. Hope you enjoyed the demo, and if you are interested in buying them, you can head over. We've got all 3 size Quokkas in the Free Range Camping shop. Thank you.